Hey friends, today we're going to draw a big firework.
And we hope you're really excited to follow along with us. This one turned out awesome. I'm really excited. I love the 4th of July.
Me too.
Independence Day is so awesome, and it's really fun because we love our country. We love celebrating it, and especially this year, being 250 years is awesome.
Yeah, it is.
You're alive for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got to get excited.
Yeah.
Well, we hope you're going to follow along with us. We're using our markers to draw and color with. And you ready to start?
Let's do it.
Hey, parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices: iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. We're going to first draw a rectangle shape for the main part of our firework. And we can draw just a little tip too if you want. I'm going to draw it going diagonal, just a little. And then we can turn it into an L, letter L. This is a long line and a short line. Then we're going to draw a matching short line up here going the same direction, and then connect with another long line. So it should look like a rectangle tipped diagonal.
Yeah.
I like that yours is longer. It's awesome.
Thank you.
Okay, next let's draw the top, and we're going to draw a triangle shape. Let's extend the top just a bit on each side. Then we'll measure with our eyes halfway in the middle of our rectangle, go straight up or diagonal, and we can put a guide point. Yes, and then we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down and connects to the left, and a diagonal line that comes down and connects to the right. Let's add a little extra detail down here. We'll draw a short, well, kind of a long, skinny rectangle shape for the bottom. And then we got to draw the fins coming out to the side. Let's draw a curve on the left and a curve matching on the right. Yeah. Okay, and then right here, we'll curve back into the rocket towards the bottom on each side to match. What's our firework missing?
A funny face.
Yeah, let's draw different funny faces. You draw your own and I'll draw mine.
Okay.
And our friends could change theirs also. You can make it screaming or scared or really excited.
Yes.
I think I'm gonna do in between. It's gonna be really excited and scared. So I'm gonna draw a big oval for the mouth and then the tongue inside. And I'm gonna draw the eyes, but I'm gonna draw them really open, like it's scared. Oh, I like yours. Yours is closing its eyes. There we go. And the eyes like this. Yeah, I like it. It's getting ready to explode.
Yeah.
That's awesome. And we did it. We finished drawing our firework. Well, except we still need to
Color.
Yeah, my favorite, and it's going to look so much better colored in. This looks kind of plain.
Yeah, it looks like it's just standing or floating.
Yeah, we need to add sparks coming out of the bottom, and we could also add red and white stripes and blue and white stars.
That would be awesome.
Okay, let's do it. This part will speed up, but you can pause the video and color your drawings too. Awesome, we almost got everything colored in. Let's use our paint markers, and if our art friends have these, they're really fun to use on top of our other markers.
Yeah.
So this will layer white. This is a white paint marker. We can layer on top. Look at that. And then we can add this star right here and then color it in. I really like these because instead of coloring the blue around and try to make a star, we can draw the star on top of the blue.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna add smaller ones down here on this blue stripe. These are called acrylic paint markers. So if our art friends, if our art friends wanna, if our parents out there or teachers wanna purchase these, they can. You can add it to your art supply.
Yeah.
Yeah, look how fun that is. It's really cool that you can add that on top of the markers we've already put down.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, one last thing. We need to add sparks coming out of the bottom so it really looks like it's taking off.
Oh,
Let's start with our yellow marker, and we can draw 2 zigzags coming out on the left. So I'm going to draw, looks like a sideways W or M. And then we can draw that same sideways M over here. And then we're going to draw a big letter V curving off to the side. Then let's color in that shape. Now we can switch to our orange color and we're going to trace around what we already did. So we can have a layer of orange right next to the yellow. This is going to make the sparks even bigger. And we'll come down and, oh, I'm going to make this go a little longer than the yellow. And then last, we'll switch to our red and we're going to draw another layer going even further down. That looks really cool, but we need to add even more sparks. Awesome, we did it! We finished coloring our firework and added all the sparkles and explosions. Sparks, yeah. And some confetti, some extra motion lines.
Yeah.
It really looks like it's taken off, and I can understand why it looks scared now.
Yeah, it's gonna explode.
Yeah, yours is really scared. Now you can pause the video and add whatever you want to the background. You could change the background so it's black and little stars or more fireworks, because usually these go off at night.
Yeah.
So you could draw the night sky.
Oh yeah, paint the whole thing black and then draw it.
Yeah, or you could cut this out and then glue
Put
it.
it on a, yeah.
Yeah, then you would save your marker
That would be cool.
instead of coloring the whole paper black.
Yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing with us.
Yeah, we do. And remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. I hope they do look different. I hope you take extra time to change your drawings.
Yeah.
The most important thing is
Have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. And we also want to wish you a happy Independence Day. We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.